Can you see where we are? It's a shop with me at Dollar Tree for spring. Yay! This is the huge store I've been dying to take you to. Someone in one of the comments called this store the Mothership. To the Mothership we go. You guys, look at this. This is like some Pottery Barn stuff right here. Look at these baskets. They even come in a blue. These are adorable. I'm totally getting some. These would make great stair baskets. These are so cute. They have all sorts of wreaths for the front door, and this one is catching my eye. Look how cute this little bunny is. They have some really rustic looking ones, which I'm really liking. And then these that say Happy Easter in the pink. This could be a really fun DIY. I really like this as well. That's beautiful. Did I not tell you this store is the Mothership? This place is like just, I mean, it has everything you could ever need. This is really cute. A fabric treat sack in burlap. Adorable. And then all the little bubble dispensers and some really cute arts and crafts. We always get our Easter basket stuff from here. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I follow. These eggs are so pretty. You definitely would want to put some hairspray on them so that the glitter doesn't get everywhere. Look at these little buckets. Oh my goodness, I love those. The plastic animals here are an insane score. These are like $9 other places. It's awesome that they're just $1. They're origami, but they tell stories. This is a great learning activity, like afternoon craft with the kids. Here's another basket stuffer, this spiral art. Carson would love this. That's so cool. I used to have one of these when I was a kid. Any other 80s babies out there love playing with these? Okay, so they've got all this garden stuff, including little garden gnomes. This is so expensive at the craft store. All right, I feel like we need to do a fun DIY with Carson. These are such a good deal. From the hook to your house, like to hang planters off of. This, I cannot believe this is $1. These are like $8 at the hardware store. Getting some of those. Ooh, and look at these buckets. This is so farmhouse inspired. I love it. All right, guys, I can't wait to show you the Easter DIYs I've got in mind. So I'm gonna pick up some stuff. This is gonna be fun. Another week, another day, another hour since you went away, and so cliche. This is awesome. So they have like these flowers with the bulbs at the bottom. So you can do that Pottery Barn thing in the clear vase. Wait. We have to find a vase. Okay, this is, okay, I shouldn't leave my cart. Okay. This is not the right size vase, but you get the idea. You can see the bulbs and the flowers, so it looks really real. They have this exact thing from Pottery Barn and Crate & Barrel for so much more money. All right, so here's all the organizing products, and looks like there are some new designs. These are so beautiful. They have die-cut bins with new patterns. Keep your eyes peeled for these at your Dollar Tree for spring. Those are the colors. How adorable. I'm really liking the purple. I think that's my favorite one that they're carrying, and these square ones are great. I'm actually gonna grab 2 of these, and I'll show you soon how I end up using these, but I don't see them here all the time, so this is a really good find. I can already hear the comments right now. You guys are gonna be like, this Dollar Tree is so big. Yes, it literally is the Mothership. Look at this. Can you see how big this Dollar Tree is? It's like Walmart, but not, because everything's $1. When I was a teacher, I loved using these die in classes because the kids can customize them. You can do a lot of different games with those. These caddies are also great for projects, like at the center of tables. A stencil wheel, that's kind of fun. Some little paint palettes for when your kids want to mix up colors. The party section at this store is just incredible. It is better than Party City. New product alert, they have tissue tassel garland. Wow, normally you have to buy these on Etsy and they're so pricey. They have them in all sorts of colors. So cute. We're gonna get our DIY on. Gotta do some planning here. I can't wait to show you guys. A fridge soda can dispenser? What? This is awesome. Holy cow, how is this here? What? Look at this. I finally found it. They have decorative nautical rope. This is total farmhouse chic. I still wish the best for you. You're not the only one to love. There's plenty more under the sun. You'll find the one you need. Reach your total fantasy. You go out and get him. If you enjoyed the video, definitely leave it a thumbs up. I can't wait to take you guys back. Bye. Oh, and you want to see what I got you? Look. Look. Oh, a bunny.
Bunny.
Oh, kisses.
A bunny.